Discourse is a community platform. You can use it for customer support, internal teams, fan communities, whatever you desire. This video covers setup, posting, admin tools, and moderation. By the end of it, you'll know how everything works. Now let's get started by creating your very own Discourse community. Go to discourse.org and click Start Your Free Trial. Pick a plan that fits your community. Enter your email, now community name, and discourse.group domain. That URL is your address. You can always add a custom domain later if you want. The setup wizard asks about privacy settings and basic config. Within a minute, you'll have a working forum. Here's what members see. First thing, set up your profile. Photo. Bio. Notification preferences. Discourse tracks what you've read, so you pick up where you've left off. Every member gets a Discourse ID. It's your identity across communities. One login, one profile, portable across any Discourse site. To post, pick a category. Write your title and write your post. The editor handles formatting, links, polls, images, and more. Replying works just as you'd expect. You can quote specific parts of posts, like things, bookmark stuff, and threads stay readable even when they get long. Notifications show replies, mentions, and activity in topics you are watching. Alongside the forum, you also have built-in chat for real-time communication. Pick a channel or user to DM and easily send a message. You can also react to messages or star your favorite channels for easy access. Admins organize the forum. Start with categories. Make categories for different topics: general, support, announcements. Set permissions so the right people can see and post in each one. You can also nest them. A support category might have billing, technical issues, and feature requests underneath. Discourse offers endless customization. Add your logo, pick colors, customize the header, make it look like yours. Customization is endless. You can tweak a few settings, use a predefined theme, or go completely custom. Check out discover.discourse.com to see how different communities have made Discourse their own. Settings cover registration, posting rules, and trust levels. Trust levels are automatic, but customizable. Members who stick around and participate get more privileges over time, and you control how that works. Discourse has built-in AI tools that make running a community a lot easier. AI can help with content discovery, summarizing long topics, and generating reports on community activity. You get real data on what's happening without digging through dashboards. Discourse connects to other tools. Single sign-on with your existing login system, webhooks to Slack or Discord, API access if you want to build something custom, and built-in chat if you want real-time alongside the forum. With SSO, members log in once with no extra password. If you want to go further, there's theme components and custom CSS. Change layouts, add widgets, whatever. Find existing themes and theme components from meta.discourse.org. Plugins add features, solve topics for support forums, event calendars, voting, and so much more. Discourse gives you an expansive suite of moderation tools. Here's what you get. The flag queue shows reported posts. Delete, edit, or message the user just in one click. Topic controls let you merge conversations, split posts into topics, retag and recategorize. Keep things organized without losing context. User management shows post history. You can warn people, silence them, suspend them. Everything gets logged. AI moderation catches problems automatically, flagging toxic content, detecting spam, and surfacing issues before they escalate. It works alongside your human moderators. You can also set up word filters and rate limit new users. Because of the trust system, established members help flag problems before mods even see them. The dashboard shows flags handled, user activity, and trends. Generate reports to see the big picture of community health over time. What makes Discourse different from the rest is that it's built for long-term community health. Trust levels grow your best members into moderators. AI tools handle the noise. The platform scales from 10 members to tens of thousands. And everything, conversations, data, identity, stays yours. That's Discourse. Go to discourse.org if you want to try it. And if you have any questions, the Discourse team is here to help.